So how many times would you recommend from the point of booking to the guest arriving, how many different forms of communication would you recommend having with the guest to make sure that you are in control? What sort of countries around the world are you helping? Is it predominantly in the States or is it more like worldwide?
So it's definitely worldwide. It's a fair, I'd say at the moment, a lot of companies in Europe, but definitely also the US. Those are the most prominent countries. We also have companies in Australia and South Africa, so it's definitely all over the world. We have a feature that's called Smart Early Check-in or Smart Late Checkout, and essentially it allows the host to maximize revenue. A lot of times make the most out of the occupancy rate.
A big pain point of hospitality owners that want to increase their direct bookings is that when somebody books via booking.com and Airbnb, like you mentioned there, is that we don't get their email address. It's a hidden email address. So by having your services, is there a way that we could reach out to the guests via automation and then collect their guest data that we can use for further marketing purposes as an email marketing? Out of all the people that you help and the rental owners that you work with, what is the one big mistake that you see the majority of people make when it comes to communication?